Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my presentation. I will introduce myself. My name is Aslamia Rambe from Muhammadiyah Tapanuli Selatan University. I will be present my research in the title The Development of Module Physics Learning Device Based on Inquiry Model Assets by Concept Map Techniques in Improving Student Learning Outcomes. Introduction. Education is one of the assets for a person to achieve the success in life. Good education must be supported by good learning. To improve the quality of learning, it can be started from the analysis of each component that can shape and influence the learning process. Learning is a process of systematically developing of several components, which include teacher, learning media, student, and assessment. This means that learning media is a component in the learning process. Learning media should be designed by the teacher in a good way and make it more qualified. Learning media in this case is focused on module. Development stage. The type of this research is developmental research that using the 4D model. The first we call defining, the second designing, the third developing, and the last disseminating. In defining stage, we must curriculum analysis, student analysis, and material analysis. In designing stage, we must be designing a learning module prototype. In developing stage, we must be the first validation stage, the second practicality stage, and the last effectiveness stage. In disseminating stage, we must be deployment module in limited scale. Framework of thinking. Physics learning problem in high school. The interesting module of physics learning is not available yet. It is necessary to develop an inquiry-based physics module assets by concept map techniques on static fluid material. Development of inquiry-based physics learning module asset by concept map techniques on static fluid material. We hope improve student learning outcome. Result of development and discussion. Definition stage. It is the identification of main material in the form of facts, concept, principle, and procedure of static fluid material consisting of hydrostatic pressure and Pascal law, Archimedes law, and surface tension of water and capillary phenomena. Design state. The module is designed with an inquiry-based learning model approach assessed by concept map techniques on static fluid material. Development state. The result of the module validation based on the 5 validators obtained an average value of 88.34 very valid category. The result of practicality of the module with an average value of 88.87% in the module practically category. The result of the effectiveness of the module were obtained based on the study learning outcome, which include knowledge competence and student response questionnaire with an average score of 81.27 with the very effective category. The disseminated state. At this state, this distribution is carried out on the small scale, namely to different class and teacher. At the disseminated state, the knowledge competency score was 84.10, attitude competency 80, and skill competency 78.50, with an average score of 80.20. From the data above, it is obtained that the physics learning module based on the inquiry learning model assessed by the concept map techniques is very valid, very practiced, and very effective in improving student learning outcomes. Until here my presentation. Thank you for your attention.